If you haven't subscribed already, ring that bell to get notified when new movies are posted. Hey, Chris Young from HomeKit Geek here. Today we're going to answer a question that I've been asked a few times, which is, does the Ikea Tradfri smart plug work with the Amazon Echo Plus? So for those of you who know, Ikea is a Zigbee-based system. The Echo Plus is a Zigbee-based hub. So you can often connect devices like the Sylvania contact sensor or Sylvania motion sensor, which I've already posted videos for. Check links up above. You can connect them directly to the Echo Plus and kind of bypass having any additional bridges in your house. So one of the questions that came up, well, hey, Zigbee, does this work? So I decided to test this out, and the good news is, yes, it does. So let's take a look at how we set that up. So a couple housekeeping items. This is not going to work with your standard Echo. It won't work with your Echo Gen 2, Gen 3, your Echo Spot, your Echo Dot, your Echo Show. That's not going to work. It has to be the Echo Plus Gen 1 or Gen 2 with the integrated Zigbee hub. The other thing, which I will put a link up above for the original review of the Ikea Tradfri smart plug. I'm not going to do the whole unboxing here because this is really focusing on the question, does it or does it not work with the Amazon Echo Plus hub? So do a little timing magic there, get us up to the end, and look at that, one plug discovered. So we can now set up the device. It's going to give us the option to connect this to an existing group if you already have one of those. So for my case, I'm going to just put this in my office. That's where it's plugged in right now. So I'm going to click on my office, make sure that checkbox has been checked, add to group. Cool, your first plug is set up and ready to use, done. So first plug, not very meaningful name. So we're going to go into the office group here, find the first plug, and we're going to edit that. So I kind of skipped by that quickly, but you may have noticed that the Ikea smart plug was still in there and still showing as connected into the Amazon ecosystem. And that's because it's still coming through the Ikea skill. So I'm going to have to go back into my Tradfri app and make sure that that is completely deleted from the Ikea Tradfri app. And I'm also going to have to come back and make sure it's deleted from my Amazon, because it doesn't necessarily sync those things all the time. So looking at the screen right now, you can see connected via living room Echo. That tells you who is controlling it, how Amazon has learned about it. Ikea of Sweden smart device, type plug enabled. That's it. That easy. So again, I've already put the links in for the original review. If you guys want to go check that out, it works. There's not much more to say about this. It is a Zigbee plug. It's kind of large. Again, that's one of the problems I have with the Ikea system. I've seen plugs that are not even half the size, but they are inexpensive and they work. So if you've got an Amazon Echo Plus and you just want to gain control over some of your non-smart devices, a lamp or something like that, this is a perfect choice for you. You guys got any questions? You know what to do. Put them below. Likes and shares, always appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do that. It really does, get me pumped to keep doing this. Thanks, guys.